Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Have you ever recorded a TikTok video and found out there is no sound? The reason why you are not able to record your voice is because of the disabled microphone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Settings app. There you will find all the settings option of your device. Scroll downwards and locate the app option. Scroll again and tap on TikTok. On your TikTok app info, scroll a bit downwards and tap on Permissions. There you will see a lot of options. Tap on Microphone to turn on the toggle bar. So that is how you enable microphone access on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.